He'll be on Las Vegas next, this magician. He is unbelievable.
Rob, that is another mazy run. What a fabulous piece of skill from Lionel Messi. How do you stop somebody like that? You can't.
He's unstoppable.
He is just incredible. This is what you're talking about. This is the world class we talk about. And Messi's dribbling ability is there for everyone to see.
First, a lovely control by Messi. Gets the nutmeg in on Bustinza. Still Messi. Combining with Suarez. Messi goes down. The referee points the penalty spot with no second thoughts whatsoever. And again, it's the genius of Messi. We saw in the first half how Bustinza rugby tackled him to stop him. Messi starts.
Here he goes again. 2-0 Barcelona. Messi. Oh, he's taken everybody on. This time it's Jordi Alba.
As ever, great ball.
Just to the edge of the arc, Messi shows, pulls it back, and then finds the open shot.
Genius from Messi here when he takes control with his first touch. Again, 3 players inside the telephone box and he don't care. 3 players inside the telephone box and he don't care.
Messi takes it all good. Messi keeps going. And he's the only way to stop him. The referee has been upside down.
Romareda has come to life. Oh, there it is.
Oh, Messi's there. He's touched one again. Oh. He dances with the defender. Oh. He takes them all on. Stupendous from Lionel Messi. Just when they needed him, he rose to the occasion again. That's the only way to stop him, by ill means.
Serrano. Messi. Off he goes. That's beautifully done from Messi. Oh, 4-0. Or so it might have been, but for the upraised flag against Di Maria. And from a neutral perspective, you have to say that's a great shame, because Messi's run was amongst his mercurial best.
Is Leo Messi, surrounded immediately, manages to get away from Leo Messi, strikes the shot, didn't strike it with 100% of his power, no, but what magic feat this man's got.
Great feed from Messi. Oh, it's delightful. Oh, still they can't stop him. How far can he go here? Looks for the assist, picks out Neymar.
Well, that's the highlight of the game for me so far, Kevin. Absolutely brilliant play from Messi down the right. That was Borja who done Messi. Messi. Round two as if they weren't there, round the third. Magical. Oh, he's running on the pitch in the air. He's worth every penny. Whatever they paid to get in tonight. The entertainer supreme.
You mentioned the fact that because Las Palmas and Girona produced surprise results and did Barca a big favour, their motivation, their determination, as Leo Messi literally does things that should not be possible, and that
Look at Leo Messi then. Wow.
Messi against 2, Messi against 3, Messi against 4, against 5, against 6. Pass off Henry. Henry to the left foot. Offside.
He's more like he's watching Messi, like all of us. I don't blame him for that.
Anticipation in Tel Aviv for this man. Still going. Look at him. You can't knock him over. They've worked it wide. Cunha's cross is easily dealt with. And there was a good 10 seconds of Messi magic.
Messi forced to chase there, and he gets away from Lodi's sliding challenge with it.
Retains the ball. Messi, they're teasing Espanyol here. This is outrageous from Lionel Messi. Outrageous from Messi. And whisked home by Suarez. Round 1, round 2, round 3. It's brilliant for Messi. This is Neymar. Couldn't shape it into the show again.
Barcelona can maybe get it, the Messi. Here's Suarez. 2-1. Expertly taken by Luis Suarez. Set up by Lionel Messi.
Look out. Messi gets another crack, tries to stop, and there's Ballesteros again. Through goes Messi. Gets his through 3. And hits the woodwork. Rebound shot from Alves, still in play, and now they'll finally say it
Heartbreak City for Lionel Messi, absolutely spellbinding. Look at this, and pick your jaws up off the carpet. Wonderful, under control, tied to his feet, brilliant, and then it hits that big, ugly, white, skinny thing.
In the Metropolitano, that means the lead is now 11, and Valencia, who are 2 points further back. Look at Leo Messi now, lays it off to Paulinho, tries to pass it in, but this time Adan was up for it. Leo Messi with a smile on his face, all skills.
Unless Messi has it, of course.
Here's Messi, still Leo Messi!
Oh my God.
Tried to place it, whether Bono got a fingertip to it or not, I'm not sure. I think possibly he did. It's a typical Messi, chin face the penalty area, so difficult to stop. He goes past one man, past two, past three, finds the space.
If anybody doubts Messi, this is what he does. Breaks up the most tightest of defense with that
Trying to avoid the drop.
Look out.
Messi trying to split 2, cuts
Beautiful.
around
Magic.
again. Messi
Brilliant.
starts, deflected shot and inches wide.
Yeah, there's a riot in our hearts when we love football. There's your Romeo. Look
There's Messi again. Hustled and harried by Bradley, but turning away almost miraculously and still in possession.